Islam, peace and love. I am Sade Renee L. All rights reserved, and I'm back at it again with another video. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you for your time and thank you for your energy. And today I'm actually going to just be going over a very quick video about averment of jurisdiction. And with that being said, let me just get straight to it. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, share. Did I say that already? Donate, all that good stuff. Thanks again, and here we go. All right. So we have here jurisdiction. A jurisdiction, it reads as follows. Number one, the legal power, right, or authority to hear and determine a cause or causes. Number two, authority of a sovereign power to govern or legislate, control. Number three, a sphere of authority. And as we all should know, just as a side note, jurisdiction, if you break down juris and diction, that means right words. So jurisdiction is also right words. And I'll continue. Aver, number one, to avoch or verify, prove, or justify. Number two, to affirm confidently, declare positively. Then I have here court, the persons duly assembled under authority of law for the administration of justice. Moving along, tribune, Roman history, an official or magistrate of any of several classes, especially a magistrate whose specific function was to protect the individual, Felvian citizen, from the arbitrary action of the Patreon magistrates. Then we have here tribunal, that which decides or judges, the seat of public opinion. In matters involving court appearances, hearings, etc., it has already been established that all judicial powers is vested in one court, the Supreme Court, and to any other courts the Congress may, from time to time, delegate such powers to, which is done with a delegation of authority, or DOAO, and of course, it is in a written form. There are three things placed before the court as a matter of protocol prior to adjudication. Number one, that's status. Example, your social standing in the community. Are you a flesh and blood being, a natural person, or are you a corporate person, an artificial construct? Number two, jurisdiction/venue. Example, where are you? Is this a lawful courtroom or tribunal? Does it have personam jurisdiction? Jurisdiction over the person, back to status, which determines that. Is there jurisdiction over the subject matters? Does this court have jurisdiction over the territory, territorial jurisdiction over the place where the alleged crime or civil violation occurred? And do they, the court, or any officers of the court, have the capacity to rule over such? If you let them get a pass on status and you let them pass on both status and jurisdiction/venue, then the court moves to adjudication, determination of penalties, punishments, sentencing, including court fees and fines. When you are dealing with the courts, you must ask for their delegation of authority in written form to be placed on the record, for the record, and entered into the record as evidence, as proof of their authority. If they do not produce it, they don't have it, and technically the matter is closed. Ask and you shall receive. You can and ought to ask, and you must be answered for their delegation of authority, particularly and especially in lieu of the fact that most of the courts or tribunals you encounter are ministerial and or inferior, lacking jurisdiction and lacking judicial authority. As well, you ask for the judges, magistrates' oath of office, which indicates their agreements, responsibilities, and obligations taken under oath to support the Constitution, as the Constitution is where their authority is derived. If they give you the runaround in regards to acquiring this oath, which is public information, you can stop chasing and ask for it. You ask for it, and for the delegation of authority in a writ of discovery, along with any other request for information. Or you can ask for the jurisdiction. An example is enclosed, the Word document attached below for your review, study, and application. If you guys like a copy, just go ahead and leave it in the comments or email me. And also, you can also find this information. I believe RV Bay might have it under Writs and Freedoms pages, as it says. And notes from the publisher. Peace be with you as you fight in the light of truth for freedom for yourself and your children. They are sentencing your children to jails, penitentiaries, and concentration camps, wherein they have the opportunity to degrade them further and institutionalize their mindset, particularly those children who are stronger and brighter. These children's ancestor return recognize innately that there is something very wrong with what has been proposed and referred to as the American dream, and that dreams of this sort are for those who are sleeping, unconscious of the reality they create or manifest on this earth. They know that this earth is their entrusted inheritance, and their efforts, their children, are to remove themselves from the matrix of lies and deceit perpetrated by criminals who have opposing efforts to maintain them in the matrix of lies and deceit. The children are aware, or ought to be made aware, that these corrupt criminals' tree is a trap laced with false pleasure. The root of their tree is bitter. Its branches are death. Its shadow is hatred. A trap in its leaves itself. It blossoms in bad ointment. Its fruit is death. Desire is its seed, and it sprouts in darkness. The dwelling place of those who taste of this tree is the underworld. The darkness is their resting place. Thus, you and your children must seek after that which is not anger, it's not jealousy, it's not envy, and it's not desire and greed. All these things are traps and flesh. Traps of the flesh. So response, act of responding, and answer. Ability, quality or state of being able. Power to perform, whether physical, moral, intellectual, or legal. Capacity, skill, or competence. Sufficiency of power, skill, etc. Responsibility, the obligation to answer for an act done and to repair an injury it may have caused. All right, and that's going to be the short video for now. Just want to go over a few definitions, and again, this is just a quick video on averment of jurisdiction and information about jurisdiction or lack thereof, and information on saving the children, free baby Ase. She should be home any day now because, of course, no jurisdiction. And just keep your vibrations high. You know what it is. Energy, 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 energy. And until next time, peace and love and Islam. Peace.